I'd like to show you an example of an advertisement that you can create for the Indiana Digital Advertisement Project for Applied English. When you get to this slide of your project, it says delete these words and create your Indiana Digital advertisement on this slide. Make it visually appealing, use images and words, and make sure it clearly uses either pathos, ethos, or logos. So you'll delete the words on the slide, and then you'll create your own image and advertisement, magazine advertisement within the slide. So here's an example. This was created 100% in PowerPoint. To get images, you can go to Google Images and type in whatever sort of image that you're looking for. I found the picture of this crowded classroom, of this boy by himself doing school, and this image of Indiana Digital Learning School, all on Google Images. So here is my advertisement. The left side says, tired of loud, overcrowded classrooms where you don't get any personal attention? The right side says, try Indiana Digital, one-on-one teacher support, quiet personal workspace, 85% pass rate. Now, I made up this information, the statistics, so when you do the logo slide, you can absolutely make up information that would be persuasive for logos. So don't feel like you have to research Indiana Digital. You can if you want, but you can make up that information. Then at the top, I just added a little bit of extra bling. I said a proven leader in education, and I put this little picture that says Indiana Digital Learning School, and that's my slide. It's pretty straightforward and simple. Once you've created your advertisement, you move on to the next slide. And it says, fill out the information on the slide below that explains your advertisement that you've created. So the first question says, what type of person is your target audience that your ad would appeal to? What age group, gender, or personality type would your ad appeal to, and why? And then for number 2, it says, which appeal are you using? And you have to write a full paragraph explaining your ethos, pathos, or your logos, and why your advertisement would be successful. So here's my sample responses for my advertisement that I showed you. Here's a sample response for what type of person is your target audience. This ad would appeal to middle school or high school students who are having trouble paying attention in a traditional classroom because of the distractions, noise, and overcrowdedness. It would also appeal to students who need to ask a lot of questions but don't feel comfortable doing that in a class full of other students. The second question about what appeal is being used, I responded this way. My ad is using logos. I used facts and statistics under the Indiana Digital picture. These facts about the school are what make it logos. My ad would be successful because the nice calming image of the student doing school at home along with the statistics would be very persuasive to try out INDLS. So that's how you complete your project. I do want to encourage you guys when you're making your advertisement to explore PowerPoint. Try all of the different tabs at the top. See what PowerPoint does. You can insert shapes. Practice inserting shapes. You can insert images. You can find images online that they will insert to your PowerPoint. You can change your text. You can put a text box. You can use what's called word art. So you don't have to know exactly how to do all of this, but definitely play around. I would say the Home tab and the Insert tab will be your two best friends when you're trying to create a slide that's visually appealing.